Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my videos, then thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope that you enjoy it, and make sure if you do that you click that subscribe button so that you can see all my videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, then hey girl. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Eco Styler Gold. And I know, like, I'm super late with this. Everybody's already done a video on this. So if you don't remember, this gel came out sometime around the beginning of the year, and it literally broke the internet when it came out. Everybody wanted to try it. Everybody did a review on it, and I really did want to try it, but it was like $18 for like the little bottle, and Deandra was not about to pay that. Like, I just wasn't gonna do it. So I knew if I waited a little while and let the hype just die down some, the price would come down. And I was right. So I was able to get this size, which is the big 32 ounce size, off of Amazon for like $14. So compare $14 for 32 ounces versus $18 for like, what, 18 ounces or something like that? It's still about $4 or $5 higher than like the regular Eco Styler gels, like the argan oil and the olive oil ones. But, you know, $14 is still not bad. So I was okay with that. So my hair has already been washed and deep conditioned. I slept with it in some braids like I always do. If you guys watched my other wash and go video, you know that I always do my wash and goes on dry hair. I never do my wash and goes on soaking wet hair. It just does not work for me. Like, my curls never come out the way that I want them to come out. And make sure that you stick around until the very end of the video so that you can see the final results and hear my final verdict about this gel. First of all, let me actually read what the container says. So it's the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel. Contains olive oil and shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. It has max shine 10, max hold 10. It says it's for all hair types and totally alcohol free. It also says shines, holds, moisturizes, nourishes, repairs, promotes hair growth, no flake, no tack, anti-itch. So that's a lot of things that it says that it does. So let's see if that's true. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I'm not sure how well that picks up on the camera, but it actually does have like speckles in it, which is interesting. It's very like soft and creamy almost. This is what it looks like. I'll say it's definitely not as like tacky and gel filling as like the argan oil or the olive oil. So I guess that's why it says that it's super moisturizing. So I'm curious to see how that works on my hair. So I have my hair divided up into 4 sections, just like I always do, and I'm going to do subsections of each section. So far my hair only has a little bit of Shea Moisture hair milk, and I just put that in there before I braided it up last night. And I don't think I'm going to use my smoothie, even though usually when I do a wash and go, I layer my products and I do the hair milk, the smoothie, then the gel. But I think this time I'm just going to go straight into the gel so I can really give an honest and thorough review of how the gel works. So we're going to get a section out that's about this big, and I'm going to spray it with some water. And again, I don't like my hair to be soaking wet when I'm doing a wash and go. I just want it to be a little bit damp, so I'm not spraying too much water. And then I'm just rubbing the water in, and I'm just finger detangling a little bit. It's pretty much still detangled from the braids that I slept in, but just in case. Alright, so I'm gonna take about this much for the first go around. I'm pretty heavy-handed with my gel. Okay, so it's definitely like very creamy feeling. Like there's a lot of slip with it, which is nice. I'm definitely gonna have to add more though. Okay. Okay, so my back section is a lot coarser and has tighter curls than the front section, and it's a lot harder to define. I always have to use more gel in the back than I do in the front, so that I'm not surprised by. I'm just adding some to the ends. So it's definitely clumping my curls, which is nice, but I'm definitely having to use a lot more of it. I'm curious to see if it's actually not going to flake. I don't really have many other products with it, so I'm thinking that it probably won't flake, and it says no flake, but you know, all gels say no flake. So we're gonna see. I mean, that looks pretty good though. I had to use a lot of it, but this is pretty much how my hair usually looks. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. Well, let's move on to the next section. I'm gonna just fast forward through this part because I know y'all don't wanna just hear me talk, and I will slow it back down when I get to the front. Alright, so this is the last section right in the front, which is a very important section, of course. Just wanted y'all to be able to see how it works on the front of my hair. Like I said, the front of my hair has a looser curl pattern than the back of my hair. And it's just a lot easier to define the curls, and they're bigger curls. I like to twirl my front pieces because they frame my face. And you just want those to be nice and defined. Alright, so this is how half of my hair looks. I think it looks pretty good. I'm going to fast forward through all the rest so that you can see the other half. So my hair is done. It looks really good. It basically looks just like it looks when I do my wash and goes with my other Eco Styler gel. I usually use the argan oil one. It definitely feels like really soft. Like it barely even feels like I have any gel on my hair. So I'm curious to see how it's going to actually dry. I'll zoom in so you guys can see my curls. They're definitely super defined. So we'll see. I'm gonna let it dry and then I will be back with the final results and my final verdict. Alright, so I slept with my hair in 4 ponytails just like I always do, just to stretch my roots a bit since I have so much shrinkage. Overall, I mean, I have mixed feelings about it. Like my hair looks really good and it's super soft. Like it feels so moisturized, which is super surprising since I didn't even use my smoothie. Like I never use gel without layering my products because usually gel does make your hair a little bit on the crunchy side, but I mean there's like no crunch in my hair. It's super soft. It's very like airy and fluffy, as you can probably see. But this really doesn't look like a day 1 wash and go. Like this is usually how my wash and goes look, maybe day 3. So I think because it is so moisturized, that sacrificed some of the hold, because usually my wash and goes last like a full 5 to 7 days and I'm just not sure if this is going to last that long. So like my curls are very defined. And there's no flakes or anything, but it is quite frizzy in certain areas. Like the front is pretty frizzy, which is why I'm saying it's probably not going to last the full 5 days or 7 days or whatever. But if you want to see how my hair does last, I will be documenting every single day on my Instagram stories. So make sure that you follow me at deandra.lavon so that you can see how long does this wash and go last. My final verdict is I really like this gel. I don't know if I would replace my argan oil with this, but I can definitely switch out between the two. So if you haven't tried it, I would definitely recommend it, especially if you feel like the other gels give you a little bit too much crunch or too strong of a hold. I would definitely recommend this one because it's super moisturizing and no crunch at all. So thanks so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and also comment down below if you've tried the Eco Styler Gold, or just let me know what your favorite gel is, Eco Styler or any other gel. I would love to hear it. And if there's any other products that you guys really want to see me review, you can comment that down below as well. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!